Hey, it's Aaron here, and in today's video we're going to talk all about how to make money freelancing online, right? If you're not freelancing, you need to. I'm going to review 4 different websites that you can check out to start freelancing, all sorts of different types of services, and it's a great way to virtualize some of your income. I mean, if COVID taught us anything, it should be that we need to start virtualizing if not some of our income, all of our income if possible, because there will be another COVID-19 or whatever in the future, and you just don't need to go into a physical office anymore to take care of yourself, your family, spend more time with the people that you love, and just have more time for yourself overall, right? So freelancing, literally, you don't need any skills for freelancing, okay? There's so many different types of freelancing that you can do, and I'm going to show you that in today's video, right? So the first website is called Fiverr. This is a very popular one. It started with the name Fiverr because they used to charge $5 for every single service that they do, but the reality is that you can charge a lot more money than $5 now, especially if you're better at what you do, okay? And there's lots of different things. I mean, literally logo design. Look at all this. This is just for graphic and design work. Website design, UX design, image design, resume design, t-shirt design, brochure design, menu design. I mean, you don't need to actually have any experience in graphic work if you really think about it, because you can actually put together a poster or a menu or an invitation or a flyer. I mean, you can use free software like Canva, C-A-N-V-A, and learn to do this yourself. And if you don't know how to do it, just jump onto YouTube, learn how to do it, and then you can actually literally teach people or design flyers and brochures and posters for people. Very, very easy. Infographic design, image editing, landscape design, all sorts of different stuff, right? And that's just in the design department. Look at digital marketing. If you know anything about social media marketing, you can become a social media manager. You can do display advertising, influencer marketing, mobile app marketing, guest posting. That's easy. Email marketing, crowdfunding, affiliate marketing, all sorts of different things. If you have no skills at all, you can definitely translate, right? You can translate one language to another language. If you know 2 languages, you can proofread. Anybody can proofread. Anybody can create resumes. Anyone can create cover letters, right? There's all sorts of very, very simple stuff here. Transcription. I mean, if you know how to speak English and write, you can do transcribing. You can literally transcribe for other people. People will pay you to do that, right? And lots of different things. Video, music, program, tech, business, even lifestyle. Online tutoring, right? Anyone can do online tutoring. Fitness lessons, dance lessons, life coaching. There's all sorts of different things that you can do. So Fiverr is a tried and tested website. If you want to check it out, Fiverr's got my stamp of approval. I've spent thousands of dollars on Fiverr as a consumer, buying services, getting stuff designed, getting podcasts edited, all that sorts of stuff. So if you want to start on Fiverr and become a freelancer, it's a great website. The second one is a website called Freelancer, okay? So freelancer.com, very, very similar. You can just come here, sign up, okay, for a free account, and then you can start posting actual jobs, and it's very, very similar to Fiverr as well. Great website. You can find jobs. You can also post your own jobs as well. And this is actually a great way to also get started. Another one is called Upwork. I use Upwork a lot. All right, Upwork is where I hire a lot of my coders, a lot of the people that run my SEO, designers, literally anything. It's very, very similar to Fiverr. So IT development, design, sales and marketing, writing and translation, admin and customer service. If you want to become a virtual assistant, you can start at Upwork. Great website. They track everything really, really well. I highly recommend it. So I spend a lot of money on Upwork and Fiverr, actually. These are my 2 main websites where I actually buy services, right? So if you're somebody that wants to sell your services, Fiverr and Upwork are great places to do that. Another one is called Freelancer, okay? One of the less known ones, but also very, very decent, okay? So if you're having trouble getting jobs on Fiverr and Upwork and Freelancer because they're very popular and quite competitive, you can try Freelancer because Freelancer is a little bit less competitive, okay? And it'll be easier for you to get your jobs up there and actually find jobs that you can get paid for. But the fact of the matter is that there are lots of very powerful freelance websites out there, and if you're not virtualizing some of your income, this is a very easy gateway to starting to make some money online. The only thing that you have to understand is that with freelancing, you're still working a job. The only difference is that you're now running your own time, you're running your own hours, which is cool. but it is kind of like a job because you still have to work, you know, 8 to 10 hours a day if you want, and you get paid for every project that you complete. So there is still a limit on your income. That's the only thing about freelancing, but it's better than, you know, getting stuck in traffic and commuting all the way to the office there and back. Okay, so if you want to check out any of these websites, I highly recommend them: Fiverr, Freelancer, Upwork, and Freelancer. Okay, and I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you're like, well, Aaron, you know, I would like to learn how to get to the bigger numbers, because the thing about freelancing is you can get to roughly about $2,000 to $5,000 a month if you work really, really hard. But if you want to get to like 10, 20, 30, 40, $50,000 a month, then unfortunately freelancing isn't going to do that for you. But I would like to show you something that will do that for you. And if you would like to create multiple 6 figures a year, I'd love to show you how to do that. I've got a free 6-figure workshop. You can just register for it by clicking the link in the description box or the comment section below. I hope you enjoyed this video today, and I hope to see you on another video. See you soon.